Now let's explain how to configure the Ikari III game for use with the GRS Super Joystick in Batocera. Launch Ikari III, ensuring that the MAME 2010 core is in use and the joystick is in mouse mode with the 2-in-1 button showing a red light. Press Tab on the keyboard to enter the MAME menu. Then, click to enter input this game. Start by mapping the start and coin buttons. Next, map the joystick's up, down, left, right movements, as well as buttons 1, 2, and 3. Ensure that Positional Analog is set to none. When selecting Positional Analog deck, rotate the knob counterclockwise by 1 notch. When selecting Positional Analog A, rotate the knob clockwise by 1 notch. This completes the mapping. At this point, return to the previous page. Click to enter analog controls. Here, we need to ensure that Positional Digital Speed is set to 0 and Positional Sensitivity is set to 100. Now, all the settings are complete. Press Tab to exit the main menu. We can now start the game. As we can see, all in-game controls are perfectly matched with the GRS Super Joystick. Enjoy your game time to the fullest.